Hi, this is Health and Information Channel. If this is your first time seeing this channel, please subscribe and click on the notification button to get our newly uploaded video. In this channel, we give organic and healthy information for your well-being. Thank you. Okay, let's go into the benefits of eating sunflower seeds. Here is a brief history of the sunflower seed. Sunflowers. The story of sunflower Helianthus annus is amazing. Sunflower is a native to North America, but commercialization of the plant took place in Russia. It was only recently that the sunflower plant returned to North America to become a cultivated crop. But it was the American Indian who first domesticated the plant into a single-headed plant with a variety of seed colors including black, white, red, and black and white striped. These are some of the benefits of eating sunflower seeds as followers. 1. Sunflower seed promotes bone health. Sunflower seeds benefits also mention the fact that they are a good source of magnesium, which is essential for strong bones. Magnesium helps regulate calcium levels in the body and can help prevent osteoporosis. It's one of the best sunflower seeds benefits for male and female. 2. Sunflower seeds helps control blood sugar. Sunflower seeds benefits also include the fact that these seeds are a low glycemic food, which means they don't cause a rapid rise in blood sugar levels. This makes them an excellent food choice for people with diabetes. It's one of the most amazing benefits of sunflower seeds. 3. Sunflower seed supports digestive health. Sunflower seeds are a good source of fiber, which can help promote regular bowel movements and support digestive health if you consume it regularly. 4. Sunflower seed may reduce inflammation. The seeds contain phytochemicals such as chlorogenic acid, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. This is one of the best sunflower seeds benefits for female during pregnancy. 5. Sunflower seed is a source of magnesium. Magnesium deficiency can lead to a variety of health concerns that affect the cardiovascular, nervous, and immune systems. The muscles and skeletal system also require magnesium for proper function. Homeopathic practitioners have long used magnesium to promote respiratory function, heart health, and reduce PMS tension. And a quarter cup serving of sunflower seeds provides more than 25% of the recommended daily value of magnesium. That's protection for your brain, heart, muscles, and more. 6. Sunflower seed promote weight loss. For those who intend to lose weight, it is nutritious and also satisfies hunger. Sunflower seeds are good sources of dietary fiber. They have 8.6 grams soft dietary fiber per 100 grams serving. A diet rich in fiber can help keep you satiated for longer hours and can prevent overeating as well as the hunger between meals. Thereby, it can contribute to weight loss. 7. Sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E, an essential nutrient shown to boost sperm count and sperm motility. They are also jam-packed with folate and selenium, both of which are important for fertility and hormones, and are a good source of omega-6 fatty acids, with small amounts of omega-3 fatty acids. You can also find vitamin E in most nuts and vegetable oils. These healthy seeds make a great snack, or you can add them to dried fruit and nuts to create a trail mix, or add them to breakfast cereals and nugget. This will boost your sperm motility. How to eat sunflower seed: crack the shell with your teeth and separate the seed from the shell. Then spit the shell out and eat the seed. You can also eat sunflower seeds in a variety of dishes. Here are a few ways you can incorporate them into meals. Sprinkle on top of a salad, add to trail mix, stir into oatmeal, sprinkle over stir-fry or mixed vegetables, add to veggie burgers, mix into baked goods, use sunflower butter in place of peanut butter, cook with sunflower oil instead of other oils. Thanks for watching Health and Information Channel. Please subscribe and share.